A quick and simple riff to practice your tapping. So we have the 5th fret here, and this is the 10th, and then the 12th. So all we're doing is tapping 12. Okay, then we're going to bring down this pattern, same spread right there, so, but it's going to be 7 and 10. Okay, and then we're going to bring down the tapping to the 15th. Okay, so 5 and 7, 12. Okay, then we're going to do 15 and then 7 and 10. And then we're just going to change the note right here. Instead of 15, it's going to be 14. So let's play it slow. That's the first part. The second part. And then you just can speed it up after that. Alright, that's it. Let me know if that was useful to you. You can incorporate that with your solos. I think it sounds really nice, and it's just a very simple pattern to do on one string. Alright, see you in the next one.